southwestern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, northeastern Guernsey County in east central Ohio, southeastern Carroll County in east central Ohio, southeastern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Freeport, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Roadville.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles. Damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cadiz, Freeport, Hopital, Seal, Jewett, Bernals, Amsterdam, Richmond, Ballaston, Bloomingdale, Unionport, Tippecanoe, Piedmont, Stillwater, Deersville, Clendening Lake, Kilgore, Harlem Springs, Tappan Lake, and Leesville Lake Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Central Ohio. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Tuscarawas.
Imagine doubleheader, I hope. No.
This is NOAA Weather Radio.